time for another DIY Network Rehab Addict Quick Tip.
Hi, I'm Nicole Curtis. Exterior fixes are so important because they get much more visibility than what you do on the inside. Here's some quick tips to save you time and money on some common projects. Replacing fish scale trim is easier than it looks. Package of cedar runs about 15 bucks. Take your saw, do a quick little dog ear cut to it, put it back up. If you're replacing a fence, why not reuse the concreted post? I'm just taking a 1x piece, it's green treated. All I'm doing is camouflaging this post. Then using salvage cedar, these would work.
Wow. And the price is right.
We build a simple white picket fence. Let's go like 2 more inches down from there. So the fence came in right around 110 bucks to do 40 feet of frontage. You can't beat it.
For all things home improvement, go to DIYnetwork.com 24/7.